Hi, Kristy at the Rada Kitchen, and today I'm making a shrimp scampi dip. Be great for a Super Bowl party or any get-together you have. It's good on crackers and celery sticks. And it's going to use our Scampi Sauce mix. And so the first thing you need is an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, a half a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of milk, and then 2 teaspoons of the Scampi sauce. I put in a little bit more because I really like it. And then we're going to mix this together. And once you have that well mixed, put it in the microwave on high for 1 minute. So while the mixture's in the microwave, I'm going to chop 8 ounces of cooked shrimp. And this is the little cook's utility knife. It's kind of like a little mini French chef knife. I really like it. It's really easy to handle. It's not quite as intimidating as a big French chef knife. So it works really good on little foods like this. So I'm just going to chop these up. So now I've taken it out of the microwave and we're going to add our chopped shrimp. And 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Mix that in well. And now we're going to put it in the microwave for 1 more minute on high. After a minute, it's ready to serve. It's best served warm with crackers or celery sticks. And that's one of the recipes using Rada's Quick Mix Scampi Sauce.